hope you can hear me over my mask. But I am in New York. I just left Penn Station and I'm walking to Bluestone Lane. It's about a 1 mile walk from Penn, the one that I'm going to. It says outdoor seating. I have a casting at 1 and it's only 9:30. So I'm chilling. I'm listening to the Skinny Geek Confidential podcast. It's gonna take me like 20 minutes. I'm gonna have some breakfast and then I'm gonna walk back to my casting because actually my casting is like 8 minutes away from Penn Station. So yeah, I'll show you how it goes. I'm almost here. I'm like 2 minutes away. This area is one of my favorite areas in New York. And it's so quiet right now. It's crazy. Guys, look how cute this little place is. Okay, update. That place right behind me is so cute. But I just left Bluestone Lane. It was yummy. Only thing is I really have to go to the bathroom and they didn't have one there. So I'm on the hunt. Hopefully I'll find one. If not, I'm literally screwed. And then I'm gonna go to CVS and get a water bottle as well, like a big one just to, or like Dwayne Reed or whatever, just to have for the day. But I'm hoping Starbucks will have a bathroom. Guys, pro tip, Whole Foods has a bathroom. That's where I am. Thank God. Oh, I almost peed on the ground. So I am feeling better. Got a little coconut water. I threw my hair up. And now I'm still early to my casting. But I'm gonna find like somewhere to sit around there just to be like close to there. Because it's about a 20-minute walk from the Whole Foods. I'm gonna hit like 20K steps today too. Guys, I am done with my casting. Got a cold brew. They actually saw me early and fingers crossed it went super well. So I'm like 30 minutes from Butcher's Daughter and my friend Ryan's gonna meet me there. So I'm heading over there right now, and yeah, I'm super happy, honestly. Like, it was so worth coming, I think. It seemed like it went really well. So yeah, I'm excited to get some avo toast though. Pretty hungry. That bowl was really good this morning, the one at Bluestone Lane. But it didn't have much substance in terms of like, they had farro in it, but it didn't have like good carb source. For the amount of walking I've done, I've already done like 15,000 steps. Like, I need like a little bit of energy, a little bit of carb. Get some avocado toast, you know what I'm saying? I'm excited, so yeah. Hey guys, I just got to Butcher's Daughter. I ordered a juice flight of 4 different juices, 2 green juices and 2 like fruity ones. I'm so excited, and I'm about to drink this whole bottle of water myself. I'm waiting for Ryan. She's gonna be here in like 20 minutes, so I figured I would start with a little juice and wait for her. I'm really hungry. I'm excited to order. I'm just happy to be sitting, to be honest. Like, my dogs are barking. Look how cute, you guys. It's actually a lot of juice. These are pretty big. I expected them to be way smaller. But I'm excited to try it. I don't know which one this one is, but that's cool. Look who's here. I'm vlogging, Ryan, so look at this bitch. Finally showed up. They were gonna kill me, I feel like. I mean, I drank a whole juice flight already, so I figured that would like hold them off for a bit, but then I like drank it so fast that like, anyways.
Where's the wine?
Where's the wine? Oh yeah, the menu. I'm fucking hungry.
Am I sweaty?
Yes.
Like hardcore?
Like here.
The stuff?
Yeah. I literally had to take a bath in Whole Foods. Dead ass. I was like wiping my whole body.
Oh my God,
It was
I need like a
unreal.
napkin.
Just
Some of us wear more than concealer. And
I literally
like
wear
lashes.
concealer and mascara. And not even lashes. Like,
What is this, a receipt? Love that for me.
oh, sexy. This bad bitch. I mean the avocado toast, not you. Yum, so excited. Ryan got a poached egg on hers. I already had a poached egg this morning, so we're eggless, but this looks freaking amazing and I'm starving. So Ryan and I are making our way to Whole Foods. I look like a literal sweaty beast.
I literally look like shit.
I look disgusting.
We're making our way downtown. Walking fast. Faces past.
And we're going out.
I'm about to like, my top's gonna blow up.
Oh, there's a Starbucks Reserve. I've never been to Starbucks Reserve.
I'm trying to have like a nip slip on.
Not
Subscribe to my OnlyFans.
Subscribe. Look how cute this area is. Guys, New York is very dead. Like, there's literally like tumbleweeds blowing. Hey guys, I am in the Amtrak waiting area. Just waiting. My train's not gonna come for
Attention,
another hour.
please. Now boarding on track 1, both east and west gates is the New Jersey Transit
Update you guys when I'm on the
445.
train. Guys, back home. My mom picked me up from the train station. Sorry, there's like red light in front of me because we are at a stop sign, or a street light. But I wanted to update you guys on the trip and kind of just wrap up the vlog before I get home and go to bed and take a shower. And take some digestive enzymes because my stomach, oh my god, after I ate that avocado toast, you guys, I don't know what happened to me, but we walked to Whole Foods, and between the walk from the restaurant, Butcher's Daughter, and the walk to Whole Foods, my stomach kind of started to hurt, but it was like bearable. I just felt like bloated. And then when I was in Whole Foods, I started to pay attention a little bit more, and I was like, oh shit, my stomach really feels uncomfortable, like very bloated, very like just not good. And I was, by the time then I walked from Whole Foods to Penn, and I sat down and waited in the little Amtrak like waiting area where I showed you guys for my train. Between that time, I waited there for like an hour, and I genuinely was like, am I gonna poop my pants or am I gonna throw up? Like, one of these two is going to happen, and neither of them did. But yeah, pretty much throughout the entire duration of my train ride, 3.5 hours, I was in such pain. I bought food, which I'm just gonna eat tomorrow for dinner, from Whole Foods. I bought, what's it called, chicken breast and not Brussels sprouts, god, I can't even talk, I'm so tired, green beans to eat, and I only just ended up drinking my kombucha because I could not even think about food. Like, my stomach was just unwell. I have not been eating gluten for a while. I almost never do. And the restaurant had an option of gluten-free or regular toast. I just went with regular because I just didn't think anything of it, and like that, their bread is just so yummy there that like it feels good quality, it tastes so amazing that I was like, whatever, screw it. And in the moment I thoroughly enjoyed that toast, but I have a hunch that it's from the toast. I did do a food intolerance test, so I'm gonna get the results back of that this week, so we'll see. But anyways, to wrap up the vlog, I had a great time in New York. It was definitely extremely hot and very exhausting, and it wouldn't have been so like taxing on me physically if it wasn't in the middle of a pandemic and more things were open, because I could have just sat inside in the air conditioning at a coffee shop for a long period of time waiting for my casting, whereas like otherwise I was just like bopping around and like walking for miles and miles, because you literally can't go anywhere, and if you do, you sit outside, and you can only really sit somewhere for so long before you kind of feel like they probably want me to go, you know? So yeah, but overall it was good. Like New York is definitely a weird, it's different now, but at the same time it doesn't feel that bizarre. Like it's emptier, but there are still people, and like, I mean, the outside dining and things like that are actually really cute and kind of charming if it wasn't like 90 degrees outside, and I feel like at night it could be a really cute vibe. So overall, I'm glad I went. Like, it was a good trip. I think the casting went well. But I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here because I'm gonna hang out with my mom and go to sleep and all that. Yeah, I'm very tired. But I love you guys all so much, and I took off my makeup in the train, so that's why I look like a hot mess. But I didn't even want to have even like a drop of makeup on my face after that hot day. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.